Welcome back to the game show That's Relative. I'm your host, Alex Trebek. Nope, not actually Alex Trebek. My name's Lord Byron. Now, the grand prize round for tonight is non-expensive paid trip to the moon. Now, here are the rules. Each contestant will have to answer at least one question on relativity to qualify for the grand prize round. If more than one contestant qualifies, there will be a preliminary round, where the contestants will have to determine the amount of time it takes in the Earth custom train for the light to reach the front of a train. Some train somewhere anyways. Now, let's introduce our contestants!
Hey, I'm Hermes T, and I have a need for speed in me that just can't be denied. And then...
That's impossible! No one can run as fast as the speed of light.
I was not running as fast as the speed of light, my good fellow. I was merely running at a relativistic speed. The distance between us is 2 meters, correct?
Yes. That was done on purpose. Yes.
So that means when I'm running at a relativistic speed in my reference frame, I see the distance between us as 1 83/100 meters. Then using length contraction, I can solve for the speed of the velocity, which is 2/5 of the speed of light. Do I get a point?
Yeah, you answered a question that I didn't ask. Forget the time machine.
Do I get to go to the preliminary round?
Well, technically you did answer the question, so you do get the point. But just don't do that again. Just wait for my call. Alright then, that was contestant number 1, Hermes. Now, so contestant number 2, come up here. Hello. Would you like to tell your name? Anything about yourself?
Well, I guess I must if you must know. My name is Chibo, to you heathens. You see, I am everything. I am the original reference frame. I have existed since the beginning of time in this so-called universe reference frame. I am everything. I am the luminiferous ether. Therefore, everything that I do can either harm you or kill you at my pleasure. So, in essence, I am God. So so you better let me win, or else.
Alright then. Would you like to take your seat? And that was contestant number 2. Alright then. Contestant number 3, come up here. Contestant number 3, your time's up. What? You gotta be kidding me. I'm sorry, dear audience. It appears that contestant number 3 will not be appearing tonight. He got trampled over by a horse. Let's have a quick moment of silence to mourn the loss. And now we're back. Now, on to the question. Hermes, where'd you get the new shirt?
Oh, well, during the commercial break I was kind of bored, so I ran back home and got my computer. And then, because I was going really fast, at these relativistic speeds, I spilled quantum all over my shirt. You can't believe how much of a mess quantum makes. So I had to go and change. I'm back now, though.
Alright then. Now, back to the questions. Question number 1.
I'm sorry, host, but I believe I answered that question already.
I believe you have. First point goes to Hermes.
I reject that statement. There is no way he got a question right already.
I'm sorry, Jimbo, but my game show, my reference frame.
That is impossible. I wasn't even here yet. How can you answer that?
Too bad. It's in the rules. Anyways, let's give you another chance then. Question number 2. Suppose I'm going to throw this pen at relativistic speed at your face.
That's irrelevant. I would just move out of the way at relativistic speeds.
All right then. So the question is, what's the velocity of the pen at the Earth's reference frame?
Well, the Earth was moving 0.1 c towards me, and I definitely saw that pen moving at 0.57 c towards me. So then, 0.57 c.
I'm sorry, Kimbo, but you're wrong.
Yes, you are wrong. Hermes, would you like to elaborate?
I would love to. Thank you. So you said the Earth was moving at 0.1 c in your direction, and the pen was moving at 0.57 c in your direction. Now, presuming the velocity of both y's is zero or negligible, you would use the horizontal velocity transformation to solve for the velocity of the pen in the Earth's reference frame. The pen's velocity in the Earth's reference frame is therefore 0.5 c.
Hermes, you just won an all-expense paid trip to the moon!
What is this? This is impossible. There's no way he already won.
He answered 2 questions already. He won.
Nonsense!
And that's the show, everyone. Have a good night. What? Seriously? Okay, I'm sorry, folks, but this appears to be our last show. Guys, stop fighting. Get it out. We don't want to say anymore. Alright, now tune in next time in The X Factor.